How to change YouTube channel URL. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel URL. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the web browser and go to youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the YouTube, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the upper right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, you can simply tap on the option labeled as YouTube Studio. And once you are in the YouTube Studio, on the left hand bar, you can see the option labeled as customization. So simply click on that. Here, you will see your current handle and URL. And now to change your URL, you simply have to update your YouTube handle. And after that, you can simply click on publish to save your changes, and it may take a few minutes for a new URL to update, but once the update is complete, your new YouTube channel URL will be active. And that's how you can change your channel URL on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.